This is a Kitty State Student Seminar, and I am sure that you are glad to be here. If you're glad to be here, can we celebrate the Rock Tutors with a round of applause? Okay, so can we do it one more time for Dr. Mrs. Babalola? Tell your neighbor, shy people are not great, great people are not shy. I am not a shy person because I am a great person. Are you a great person? Or you clap like a great person? Do you know that as I was young like you, several years ago, about 6 years ago, I said certain things that have put me where I am today, and this is the reality of the things that I said. We are going to say this: I am not a failure. I will not fail. Look at your neighbor and say, I am not a failure. I will not fail. If you are planning to fail, come on, body job. Clap your hands together for yourself. Why will not weaken me? JAMB will not jam me. I can't hear you. Why will not weaken me? And JAMB will not jam me. Now you not focus, Abi. You not focus, Abi. Oh yeah, do your hand like you want to focus. Focus on your future, right? You're going to focus on your future, and then you will say after me, I'm going to jam. I'm going to chill with the big boys. I can't hear you. I'm going to jam. I'm going to chill with the big boys. So I want you to do your hand like you're focused, all right? All right? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Now you are going to say those words once I count 3. 1, 2, 3, go! I can't hear you. Say it like you meant it. For the last time. Now clap for yourselves. Don't forget. So when you're singing that song, instead of singing bamba, you say, I'm going to jam. What? You know what it means to jam, right? It means you are going to pass your... You get it, Abi?